If you've ever been to the beach, you've seen them before. Everyone knows the iconic image of the seagull. Seagulls are closely related to terns, auks, skimmers, and waders, which are all species of birds that call the coastline home. Seagulls are an iconic symbol of the ocean and the beach. But what do you know about them? Anything? Surprisingly, there is a lot to be learned about the gull. Their behavior and lifestyle is among some of the most unique traits in the avian family. There are many different types of gulls who fit the description of a seagull. Seagulls are in fact birds. Seagulls belong to the family name Laris, which in Greek means ravenous seabird. Seagulls can be found all across the world, with only few exceptions. Seagulls prefer to live in a moist climate, usually near the coastline or lakes, streams, or ponds. Some seagulls will inhabit cliffsides or man-made structures like roofs, gutters, bridges, or piers. There are many different species of gulls, eating the same food source, yet have remarkably different traits. Some species of gull have wingspans of only 1 feet, while other species have wingspans of up to 5 feet, rivaling that of some eagles. The larger species of gulls, such as the hermit gull, tend to steal the prey from other smaller gulls. These birds are kleptomaniacs. In fact, the only other bird that the seagulls will not steal prey from are pelicans. Seagulls are remarkably agile in the air. This is due to their short body compared to their long wingspans. This allows them to make swift movements while having stability in flight. The longest recorded lifespan of a seagull is that of the herring gull, with a maximum age of up to 49 years. Seagulls will eat anything ranging from mollusks, snails, earthworms, eggs of other birds, as well as eggs of the same species, or even their own young. That's right, seagulls are cannibals. The fact that seagulls are scavengers is actually a good thing. They eat lots of dead birds off the beach, as well as other dead animals that are around that could pose a health threat to humans. Seagulls are very clever birds. They demonstrate their remarkable adaptive skills by certain hunting strategies and feeding strategies. Seagulls know to pick up snails from a high height and drop them onto hard surfaces to break their shells in order to eat them. Also, seagulls have adapted a behavioral skill of being able to stomp on sand or ground to mimic rainfall to trick earthworms to come to the surface in order to feed on them. Seagulls mate for life. They find one partner and typically stay with that partner until they die. Seagulls are very social and attentive, caring parents. Seagulls split the duty of incubating their eggs. While one incubates the eggs, the other goes out in search for food to bring back to feed to the one incubating the eggs. Seagulls are very social creatures. They have a vocabulary of vocal communication cues, as well as body movements, in which they use to communicate to each other. Seagulls have a unique adaptation which allows them to drink both fresh water as well as salt water. They have 2 small filters which filter the salt out of the water and make it fresh before it reaches their stomach, which prevents them from getting sick. This unique adaptation allows the seagull to spend large amounts of time out in the ocean, in search of prey. The prey is what he brings back for his family. Seagulls have many unique adaptations. One adaptation is a small claw on their lower leg that allows them to latch on to rocky cliff sides or other obstacles in order for them to gain vantage points to find food more effectively. Seagulls have developed very, very good eyesight, which in fact is better than humans. Seagulls develop their eyesight in order to see the prey from high above, and also while underwater or through the water. Other adaptations occur across the entire species of seagulls. Some species have evolved to become entirely black and nocturnal, hunting squid at night. All species of gull have very prominent personalities when in a group. Often they swarm when one has found prey. They will even band together in order to thwart off any other predators that are in the nesting areas. They are very mobile creatures, often migrating very far distances in order to find open water or food.